Why we should yoga naked. I thought I'd share a recent experience with all my fellow ladies who have a keen interest in naked yoga. I've only recently picked it up and I must say, it's quite revitalizing. I was always interested in doing yoga and started attending my local traditional yoga class a couple months ago. Only recently, however, was I introduced to the idea of naked yoga. Now I know you may be a little skeptical at first about exercising naked, but I must say, it's fantastic. I'm now trying to find out about all the latest naked yoga poses, asanas, breathing techniques, classes, everything really, but not any yoga outfits. I mean, you just don't need one. The oneness, unity and sense of power you get by revealing it all has really added something into my everyday life, especially as a woman. Now even my husband has begun to take interest in it. I practice at home in the privacy of my own bedroom and love the fact I can yoga completely naked when I want in the comfort of my own home. It's helped to remove my anxieties about my body and embrace and accept myself as I am. In my opinion, most women in this day and age seem to continually strive to visual perfection, which all the popular high-glossy magazines depict on their front covers. I think that we shouldn't feel those pressures. If that's your goal in life, to look like a supermodel and be inch perfect in every area of your body, then that's fine, I have no objections. However, I don't think women should feel pressured into this social template. Naked yoga has helped me to overcome this. I used to feel like I had to look like the girls on the magazines and on the television. It drove me into a mild case of OCD. Over-exercising at the gym, eating like a rabbit, and all in all hating the whole process. Naked yoga, however, has helped put me back in the driving seat, back in control, and helped me embrace myself for who I really am, without having to match up to the glamour statistics. You see, naked yoga differentiates itself from traditional yoga as it embodies a number of spiritual elements and allows you to really get away from it all. Now I'm not dismissing the advantages of traditional yoga, far from it, I just believe that being naked is an addition to the traditional type as opposed to opposition. Now I really feel I'm ready to attend a naked yoga class, but I just can't seem to find one locally. It seems it's not as mainstream as I first thought. I would love to attend one regularly and I've been searching around, but unfortunately to no avail. What really helped me though was the wealth of knowledge on the internet. It's all there, but it just takes a bit of research. In fact, I was snooping around on the net desperate for more information and came across a really resourceful report, fully explanatory on the whole subject, and I didn't have to pay a penny. Check out this article to learn more about the best yoga tips for women, http://bit.ly/yogaburn69.